IELTS Vocabulary Boost, Understanding Beneficent. Are you preparing for the IELTS exam and aiming for a band score of 6.5 or higher? Today, we're going to explore a word that can elevate your vocabulary and help you express ideas about kindness and generosity more effectively. The word is beneficent. Word type: beneficent is an adjective. It's pronounced as sunt, with the stress on the second syllable. Meaning, beneficent means doing good or causing good things to happen. It describes someone or something that is kind, generous, or helpful, often in an active way. This word is particularly useful when discussing charitable actions, policies, or people who make positive contributions to society. Word history: the word beneficent has Latin roots. It comes from the Latin word beneficent, which means doing good. This, in turn, is derived from ben, meaning well, and facere, meaning to do. Understanding its origins can help you remember its meaning and usage. Antonyms: some antonyms, or words with opposite meanings, for beneficent include maleficent, which means harmful or evil, and detrimental, which means causing damage or harm. Synonyms: synonyms for beneficent include benevolent, charitable, generous, and philanthropic. While these words have similar meanings, beneficent often implies a more active or purposeful approach to doing good. Examples used in sentences. Let's look at some examples of how to use beneficent in sentences. The wealthy entrepreneur was known for his beneficent actions, regularly donating to local charities and funding educational programs. Many people believe that advanced technology will have a beneficent impact on healthcare, making treatments more accessible and effective. The government implemented a beneficent policy to provide free meals for underprivileged schoolchildren. Nature can be both destructive and beneficent, as seen in the way forest fires clear the way for new growth. Common errors in use: when using the word beneficent, be careful not to confuse it with beneficial. While both words relate to positive outcomes, beneficial means advantageous or helpful, whereas beneficent specifically refers to doing good or being kind. For example, exercise is beneficial for health, but a person who volunteers at a homeless shelter is beneficent. Another common mistake is mispronouncing the word. Remember, it's sunt, not sunt. Incorporating beneficent into your IELTS writing and speaking can demonstrate a sophisticated vocabulary and a nuanced understanding of concepts related to kindness and social responsibility. Practice using this word in your own sentences, and look for opportunities to include it in your essays or speaking responses when discussing topics like charity, social policies, or individual actions that positively impact society.